Google finds 18 zero-day vulnerabilities in Samsung Exynos chipsets. So we started to talk about this on a previous episode about how Google research teams have been looking into some of the modems on a variety of devices from Samsung, but also where they had been using Samsung hardware in their own Pixel devices. Mm-hmm. Project Zero is the name of Google's zero-day bug hunting team, and they discovered and reported 18 zero-day vulnerabilities in Samsung's Exynos chipsets used in mobile devices. The modem security flaws, so these are the ones, reported between late 2022 and early 2023. Some were more serious than others, and some have been patched, I believe, via software updates to make things worse. With minimal additional research, experienced hackers could create an exploit capable of remotely compromising vulnerable devices without triggering the target's attention. I think they had talked about just by having the phone number. 14 remaining flaws are not as critical but still pose a risk. The devices that are affected, as we previously mentioned, many Samsung devices in the M and A series, S series previous gen, so S22, Vivo devices are in that list, and then Pixel 6 and 7 devices. So you're going to see security updates. You're going to want to install those ASAP if you're on one of those affected devices. If not, you might want to come look at this list over here and see if you are on one of these affected devices or if you need to worry.